Now this is the keyboard right here. As you can see, it's still got the little tabs. And what you do is you pry up on it. Till you get it started. It pops right off. I'll only use the knife around the edge of it because I'm pretty sure if I'm not careful, I'll start popping the keys off of it. I don't want to do that. And if it doesn't work, I guess I won't fix my keyboard. They're popping off a lot easier than I thought they would. And there is the keyboard. That's what I've got to have for mine. So, I'll mark it, that way I'll know which one it is. Won't get it confused with the old one when I take it apart. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'm going to try to put this one back together. That way I know where the parts are. Shouldn't have any problem putting it back together. I wish I could just get a... This is a 2018 model. It's just not really that old. Let's see, that's 5 years, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 4 years old. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in there. Oh, that's the, yeah, I think I will take that out because mine is worn pretty good. I was starting to have trouble with mine because, see, I play with mine almost 24/7. Deb, she didn't use her computer nowhere near as much as I did because she wasn't home. Let's see. So, mine, you'll see when I start, I'll show it to you. It's not worn through, but it's worn. Because to me, that's one of the best things they ever did to a computer, is put a pad on it. Okay, let's see. It's a little grounding tab. There we go. And it is out. I won't be able to have any problem telling which is one, which is hers, and which is mine on that because mine's worn pretty bad. Let me set this down here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Then I gotta turn you off and clean up my mess. And that'll be the video for the day. I'll continue this tomorrow. Well, mine's not worn as bad as I thought it was. Must have been one of the other computers I had. But it's not that bad. I may not have to mess with it. If it gives me trouble, I will though. So it's not that bad. But I know the keyboard won't work. Let me see. Let's find out. Let me see. Can you see the... Yeah, you can see it. I have to close a little bit till I put my keyboard, password in. Okay, my keyboard's not working at all. Let me see. Alright. Put my dongle back in. Where did I put my keyboard? Oh, here it is. Alright. Alright. Okay, now. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, there you go. You see it? This keyboard works good. I don't know if you can see anything on that or not. But anyway, tomorrow I'll dismount this one and I'll put the keyboard, no, I'll put the memory of this one in here first, and then I'll set it up as her computer, and then after we copy the hard drive off of it, I'll take and put my hard drive back in it and remove her hard drive, and then I won't put my hard drive back into it after I replace the keyboard. And if I don't, I've got a tablet. So I will see y'all tomorrow. hopefully. Might as well leave it up because I'm going to be using it here in a little while. Gotta plug it up. That battery I think is going bad in this one too because it's only got 42%. It's not been on, it's just been sitting there. So I've got a mess to clean up. All these little pieces of plastic. I hope this helps somebody. I don't know if it'll help anybody working on the computer or not, but if it does, it does. Tomorrow will be part 2. And I've got all the things here. Got to put them away because the cats, keep the cats from chewing on them in case they decide they want to do it. I charged my mic up and didn't use it. Okay. I will see y'all on the flip side. Y'all have a good day. Bye now.